What's going on, guys? For today's video, we have a Supreme Spring Summer 25 Week 4 live cop. So this week is highlighted by the Nike collab, and it's actually pretty nice in my opinion. I think I'm gonna pass on it though for the personal. Let me explain why. So I do really like this track jacket, and I do really like the striped rugby. The only problem is there's like no Supreme branding on it, so I feel like you're paying like $150, $170 just to get this little Nike swoosh on like a polo that you could probably get this at the outlet without the Supreme branding. But the purple is really nice. I'm not saying it's not. Very nice color, and I just love that back hit. But I don't know, I would have liked to see more Supreme branding if I am paying that premium, but I don't think we're gonna go for it. I do like the track jacket better, but like I said, I just don't think we're gonna go for it. I've been eyeing the rugby like all week deciding, and then last night I kind of figured I don't think I should really go for it. Because too, who knows, this could be a big brick. So if I'm paying like $150 for the rugby after tax and stuff, am I even gonna be able to get that back? I don't know. So I think I'm gonna hold off on that. And then the leather jacket is so sick, but that thing is $700, so I really don't want to risk that at all. But it is really cool, and I definitely wanted to talk about it in the video. And then obviously we got the Air Maxes. I don't really want to go for those. I do really like those though. I pretty much like every single color of those, but I don't really need them, and I don't really know how resale is gonna do on the shoe, so we're gonna hold off on those. But then we got the first item we're going for today. It is going to be the Supreme Eagle Creek Packet Compression Bag set of 2. They're only $30, so we are going to try to get those. I believe it just comes in the one size. And then I've been kind of thinking about this football top. I don't know. It sucks that it's like a t-shirt material, but like the premium one. I'm not really sure if I want to go for it or not. That is a maybe for sure, but we only got one definite so far. I do like the loose gauge striped small box sweater. Track pants are pretty sick too, but again, we're going to pass on all the Nike stuff. Well, I shouldn't say all the Nike stuff, because we are going to go for the Supreme Nike leather shoulder bag. I'm hoping I can get that in black. I do really like that bag. I feel like the other bag I got at the beginning of the season really wasn't doing it for me for my camera, like I said I bought it for. So I'm gonna see if this one does it at all. So we're gonna go for the black colorway. And then next, I got a really big hot take here, but I really feel like this woven stripe hooded jacket is gonna do numbers later on. I don't think it's gonna go like off rip like today. I don't think it's gonna be anything. I feel like months, maybe around Christmas time or even around November of this year or even past that, I think this is gonna be a huge item. Like I feel like this could almost double in price, but I don't really know if I want to go for it just to sit on it, and I think it might actually sit in stock. I just feel like this is gonna be one of those sleeper items that we all look back on a few months from now and think, dang, we should have got that. I don't know. I'm like pretty confident on it. I'd probably say I'm like 60-40. I kind of feel like that's going to be a big item later on. So I guess we'll see in a couple of months if I was right about that. And I don't want to say this incorrectly, so we're just going to go for the mesh back 5 panels. I kind of want to get all of those except the white one. Maybe not the red one actually. So maybe just the black and the green one. Then we're going to go for some of the Wings logo 6 panels. I might keep one of those for the personal. And then lastly, we got the New World Order beanie. These are like the Y2K style beanies, which end up doing crazy online later on down the road. I am not too confident on this one though. This might be one of Supreme's weakest ones that I've seen, so I'm not too confident on this, but I still might get these. That blue colorway is pretty sick though. So it is a bit of a small week, but there are some bangers, and we're finally actually going for like more than one item. We got a few things on the hit list today. I'm hoping we can get them all. I'm also hoping you can get more than 2 hats in the same cart. That was gonna mess up my video if I can't do that. And we only got a couple more minutes to the live cop, so I guess before we get into that, I did want to say, make sure you follow me on Instagram as well as my brand Sutton. We do have the Sutton Cowboys hoodie dropping tomorrow at 2 p.m. Eastern time. I've been getting a lot of messages about this hoodie, and I'm so excited to finally release it. I've been hyping this up for a while now, and it's finally here tomorrow at 2 p.m. Eastern. Do not forget, you can sign up for our email list down below in the description, and all the information will be down there as well if you want to check it out. And you can follow us on Instagram to stay up to date with all other releases. So again, Sutton Cowboys hoodie is dropping tomorrow, 2 p.m. Eastern. Don't forget all the information in the description down below. So let's just get right into this live cop. And we are live on the live cop. So we got about 1 minute left until the drop. I already forgot what was last week, as I always do. Let's see. Kind of forgot all about these hats. These are actually pretty cool. And guys, I had absolutely no idea this was a record case, and I am so upset with myself that I did not get this. Like, this was literally made for me. I just had no idea that's what it was until my friend had told me that it's a record case. I should have went for this. I'm so upset about that, but it's whatever. I guess I'll have to pay more attention for next time. This is actually kind of cool too. Don't really know if I can pull that off though. We got a couple seconds left until the drop. Oh yeah, it was box logo week. I don't know how I already forgot about that. But all right, here we go. We actually got a lot of things we're going for today. Can we get them? And it is 11. I think the bag is gonna be the first thing to go. I'm gonna get one of those. I'm gonna go back, get the bag. Go to this. Okay, we got those. That is actually like so nice. You can just hit back. I think I'm being too crazy right now because I have a feeling the bag is gonna be the only thing that sells out. But let's see about these hats. Alright, you can get a lot of them. I think that was everything, guys. I think that was everything. I probably should not have went back. Let's go to checkout. Man, why am I a little nervous? I think because this is the first item I'm going for the personal in a while. I mean, besides the license plate. Come on. Are we actually gonna have a line too? Dang, I didn't realize I had that many things in my cart. Dang. Maybe we can get right through. Maybe we can get right through. Can't believe it's snowing right now too. That is crazy. Come on. Also, I know I said I was going to try to get all of the hats, but I wasn't really feeling the maroon when I got there, and then I wasn't really feeling all of these colors either. I kind of wish I could take this light orange out, if I'm being honest, but we're already this far. Can't go back now. Come on. Don't let the bag sell out. Should I pull it up on my phone to see if the bag is even there? Let's see if the bag is even still there. It is showing that it's in stock though, so that is a good sign. I don't know, I just kind of have a feeling that it might actually sell out of the things that I got. How the Air Max is looking. Still a full size run. Maybe just nobody is through yet. Alright, well at least the bag is showing that it's in stock, so we do have a chance that I could get it here. I don't think any of these other items are going to sell out. I mean, maybe the bags, the compression bags, only because you can get multiples of them. I didn't see how many you could get, but you can get multiples of those, so I guess those could sell out, but I really only think that I have to worry about the leather bag here. Was not expecting that we got through. Was the bag still there? The bag is still there. Let's try to go. That is not good. It is lagging right now. I can't show you this part, but that is not loading right now. Dang, what is... I wish you could see this. Not good. I think we're gonna hit the refresh. Okay, still showing in stock. Still kind of promising. Why is it? I feel like every week is something new. Come on, I just want the bag. I just want the bag for my camera. Come on. Come on. We got the bag. I think we got the bag. Did we get the bag? We got the bag. We got the bag. Alright, this is a very rare occurrence that I actually got every single thing that I wanted. In one cart too is crazy. But I do want to just check a couple of things before I end it. I guess we're only going to do the one card today. This was a sweater I was talking about at the beginning. I'm actually really feeling this. Like, I'm really feeling this. I don't even know which color. That's like the Freddy Krueger one. I'm kind of feeling this one the most. Still a full size run besides 2XL. I'm kind of feeling this one the most, but I don't know. This season is getting about over. Who knows, I'm even going to like this in a few months. And then this. Were people messing with this? Doesn't this look like this is going to fit extremely long? That's a part of the reason too I didn't really want to get it. I wasn't too confident in the fit, but that actually sold out. That, my size is gone. But that actually sold out in some sizes. What about the other colors? Okay, so just really the purple. Okay, the bags are still in stock. Whoa. So the bags are still in stock, so I was worrying for nothing about that. I thought there was one other thing I was talking about. Oh, the track jacket. Wow. I mean, maybe because there's like no Supreme branding like I said, but isn't this purple kind of sick though? I actually really like this purple. I don't know, who knows? I might regret not getting this. Now that I'm seeing them, like, I mean, obviously I got to see them all week, but now that I'm seeing them together, I think the track jacket is a lot harder than the rugby. The rugby just looks too long, and I wish I had more branding on it. This, I guess, says world famous right here, but that's not much. Where even is the Supreme hit? Oh, it's on the sleeve, okay. See, if they could have just had a little bit more of a Supreme hit, 168 just is like crazy to me. And I don't even know what size I would be. If it's Nike, probably medium. Man, am I going to regret not getting this? This purple just looks so good to me. I just love this purple. That's still here, but I figured that those two would be here. That was just a sleeper I was thinking about. What if I got, what are we looking at here? I could get it. I could get it. Man, am I going to regret not getting this? Am I going to regret not getting this? Oh, you got to go online anyway. I don't think I'm going to do it. I don't think I'm going to do it. I'm going to end the screen recording. And that's going to do it for my Spring Summer 25 Week 4 live cop. I did just end up passing on the Nike jacket. Not saying that going back in line made me pass, but I don't know. I just feel like I'm not really going to like it. I just wish it could be one of those things I could see in person before I buy it. I'm not even really sure if I could get my money back, especially since it's a full size run. 10 minutes after the drop. Doesn't make me feel too good about getting my money back on that. But let me know in the comments down below if you guys picked up anything from this drop and what was your favorite item on this drop. We actually got everything that we went for today in one cart too, so that was nice. And I'm extremely hyped I was able to get that shoulder bag. I hope it can fit my camera in it because like I said, the other ones weren't really doing it how I wanted it to. So I can't wait to get this bag in. And don't forget, tomorrow my brand Sudden has a drop for the Sudden Cowboys hoodie. All the information will be in the description down below as well as the page if you want to check that out. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button and make sure you subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified anytime I upload another video. And make sure you check out my shorts on the channel because I got a ton of other live cops and a ton of shorts on the channel. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you check those out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate your support. I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.